Summer Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Yes, I'm about a month late doing this. Yes, everyone else has done it. No, I haven't even used anything in here. I did look because I gotta know, you know? So if you don't know about Fab Fit Fun, it's a quarterly subscription service, more of like a lifestyle subscription service. And it's $50, $49.99, if we're getting technical. You get tons of stuff in here, tons. It's so worth it. It's something that's great for gifts. I recommended it to a guy friend not too long ago. He's like, I don't know what to get my wife for her birthday. And I'm like, get her this subscription service because it's the gift that keeps on giving, literally. I will leave a code down below for, I believe, what is $10 off your first box. I'm going to go ahead and dive into this Fab Fit Fun box because I have been dying to use some of the stuff that's in it, but I wanted to film it first. You do get to choose some of the things that are in here. So you get to choose between like 2 or 3 different things. Just whatever works best for you that you would like to receive. Like sometimes you're like, I don't need that, you know, jump rope. I'd rather have those resistance bands or that shampoo or that necklace before I need that bathrobe. I don't know. I mean, they really literally will put a robe in here. It's a big box. It's a huge box. It's like, it's big, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so when you first open the box, typically there's some tissue paper covering everything. Just about in every single box, you get a HelloFresh gift card. So pass it along, use it. I've done HelloFresh before, really enjoy it. We also in here have the, okay, so basically you get to gift $10 off, which is what I'm going to leave down below. There's a code here. It says you deserve some summer fun, gifting you with $10 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. That's $200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $39.99. So it will be $10 off the normal $49.99. So I'll put this code below. You then also get a Fab Fit Fun catalog. So I've got Miss Eva Longoria on this one. All right, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So this retails for $25.95. Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you feeling fresh and with a fresh and moisturizing face. Cute. Okay, so I really love facial sprays. I typically use the Mario Badescu. They have a rose spray as well, and a cucumber one or aloe or something. I use those, but this is really cute. So you can put it over makeup, under makeup, whatever. Let's see, it's proper open. 8.11 ounces, so that's pretty nice. I've never heard of Grace and Stella. Woo! It's rosy. It's rosy. Very rose. All right, so the second thing is the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish Smooths Exfoliate Superfine Treatment Gently Sweeps Away Dull Surface Skin Cells and Purifies Pores for all skin types. Retails for $57. You know, sometimes these microdermabrasion type stuff are expensive. Massage gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh smooth base. I love polishes like this. This probably has like a cover on the, yeah. I'm really excited about it. I think this might have been one of the ones that I actually chose. If you like that kind of instant smoothing effect, this would be amazing. The Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask, Coconut Milk and Verbena, smooths and softens intense hydration, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, D&T-free, DEA and TEA. That means it's T-free? T-free sounds weird. DEA and T-free, petrochemical-free, cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified. Smells good. Smells like coconut. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. What? Use ideally at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. That's interesting. I wonder if you're supposed to put socks on. All right, the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So we've got a face mask here. It says packed with Davidson plum. I have no idea what that is. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So it says refine, brighten, illuminate, nurture. Apply even layer to dry, clean skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions. One of my favorite things to do when I have the time is to literally just sit in a bath and do a face mask, hair mask, face mask. Apparently now I can do a foot mask. I'm gonna be masked up. Okay, I think I picked this one as well. This is the Burn Resistance Bands. All right, these resistance bands are $34. And I've never heard of this brand, but they do come with, whoa, lots of bands. Okay, 3. It seemed like a lot because this one was wrapped around both sides. And I was like, there's 4 in here. Okay, so you get, it says medium, light, and heavy. So that's cool. These seem a little more structured than the ones I got at Target. So I appreciate that. Son of a... All right, medium. So you can put these kind of on your, around your calves, your ankle, your thighs, and just get to work. They smell like spray paint. All right, so we have some Invisibobble traceless hair rings. Traceless, high wearing comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking updo tool. These retail for $16. Looks like you get 6 of them. I have some of these. I have like, not these exactly, this brand, but I do have some like these elastic hair ties. They're okay. I don't have like really thick hair, but these, I mean, they're supposed to not crease your hair. My hair is very thin, very fine. My hair is very fine and it creases if you look at it the wrong way. So, I mean, this gives you like some nice pony volume. Son of a bitch. I might pass it along to my nieces, see if they like them. I might keep 1 or 2. I kind of like the clear, and then there's a nude in here too. I don't know if there were different colors. This is the one that's showing in the catalog, so it may have just been these that went out, but they're cute. They're fun. They're, I guess, better and less creaseless than a regular, like, thin hair tie. So we got a Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. Combat frizz with this styling cream that smooths, conditions, and blocks humidity. Oh, we've got plenty of that. We might need to test this out. Without weighing hair down, this retails for $28. Apply generously to clean, damp hair from roots to ends. Comb through. Yeah, I might give this a shot because if it will help be less poofy in the summertime when there's so much humidity. If not, I definitely have a friend I could pass this along to because she literally told me the other day, I'm a frizz ball. Possibly my 2 favorite things in this box. The Sol de Janeiro Moisturizing Shower Gel Cream and a Boom Boom Cream. So, great. I'm really excited to get these. I think these are like all in one, like you had to choose this or something else, so like a package deal. Let's find it on here and see how much this all retails for. So this retails for $45. So I have the same size version of this one in my bathroom right now, but I'm getting very low, so I'm very happy to know that we're getting one of these. It smells amazing. It smells like the beach. It smells like sunscreen and coconut and butter, and it just smells like all the best things that if you thought of a summer scent, this is what it would smell like. It's amazing. And now I have a shower gel. I'm so happy to get this. I love this line. I don't love the Coco Cabana. We did get that in a BoxyCharm, I think, one time. Oh yeah. Oof, God, it smells good. Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel Cream, or cream gel, leaves skin super soft, irresistibly smooth, and always ready for play. That's adorable. Shower gel cream, very excited. This is huge. It's 13 ounces. Perfect for the summer. Very excited for both of these. I buy like Suave body wash, okay? So that's gonna be very exciting. Last thing and largest thing in the box, Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote. 100% cotton, features rope handles and a snap closure for easy carrying. Plus, it's big enough to hold your towel, cover up, SPF, and then some. Retails for $50. Wow. It's a beach bag. It's a tote. It's whatever you want it to be. It's an overnight bag. Whatever. Put snacks in it. That might be what I do. Cute. Yeah, I thought it was black, but it's navy. It's got this snap button here so you can keep it closed. These rope handles are adorable and they're soft. Nice big pocket in here. And it has like a flat bottom, so it'll stand, or won't really stand, it'll be slouchy, but it doesn't like taper, so you've got like extra. I feel like you've got like much more storage space. So that's super cute. But yeah, that is everything in the box. Very excited about this. I feel like my mom would be like, can I have that? Okay, so I'm gonna do some math and see how much my entire box was, because there's some expensive stuff in here. I feel like I need to do that a second time, but I know I did it correctly. $356.95. I don't think I've ever had a box that expensive before. So this box was $50, $49.99. And I got $356 worth of things. What? How do they even do that?
Yeah, you see magic. Got it.
If you are interested in getting your own box or gifting a box or getting $10 off of your first box, visit fabfitfun.com. Sign up. I don't think there's a wait list. That's totally worth it, guys. It's totally worth it. Can't say it enough. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, if you want to know more about FabFitFun, definitely check out the link below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. I will see you guys next time. Bye. I love like microfiber. That's incorrect.